All VODEXS VDML series remote control wheel mowers support the optional electric lift version for cutting height adjustment. The standard tires for this version are turf tires. The standard remote control is the MC7, with an optional industrial remote control also available. The cutting height can be adjusted according to actual mowing needs, with an adjustable range of 0 to 100 mm. This version is more convenient and efficient compared to traditional manual height adjustment mowers. According to actual needs, you can adjust any cutting height with one button on the remote control. The cutting height adjustment range is also larger, eliminating the hassle of manually removing screws and changing the cutting height.